this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That'd mean the world to me. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. Hey guys, so today I am doing a glittery pink half cut crease look. Excuse the eyeliner and the lashes. Didn't do the best job on those, but ignore those. I'm still learning and I'm still trying to perfect. The eyeliner was good until I put it on with the glitter, so I might need to practice with that. It was my first time working with eyeliner and glitter together, so I mean it's a trial and error situation, but please don't be too hard on me with the eyeliner and lash part of it. But other than that, it turned out really good. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started with the video.
Hi guys, so right now I'm taking the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, of course, you know, I'm always using that, and I'm taking Warm Taupe and using that as my transition shade, to prepare for the amazing eyeshadow colors that we're going to use, because we're going to be using some bright colors today. Yeah, so sorry if this seems choppy. I'm still getting used to iMovie, because as you guys know, I got or this might be up before, but I got a MacBook Pro. Still getting used to my iMovie and figuring out how to do everything. So sorry if this seems choppy, but I promise it will get better, and over time I will learn how to use it better. And yeah. So next I'm taking Hickey from Miso Fleek in the Patrick Star Quad. Sorry that this is a limited edition shade, but I had to start off with a bright base so I could get even brighter with the other colors I'm about to use to make this bright. So sorry about that, but I hope you guys understand, and it's easily dupable. I feel like maybe you won't find one as bright, but I think you'll find something pretty close. And I'm just putting my crease and blending it all together. And sorry that there's no intro or intro or end card. I just I just didn't I looked it up. Well, first hold on, let me tell you my next colors. The next colors, sorry, I'm all over the place when it comes to my tutorials because I ramble on. But I'm taking Red Ochre, Vietnam Red, and Love Letter, and putting that in my crease also to give it a more pinkier feel. I wanted this to be really pink, but like I was saying, I searched for 2 hours how to do an intro and make an end card on YouTube, and none of the tutorials I looked up were easy enough. So if you know how to do one on iMovie, or you know of a free website that's really easy that I won't have the logo on it or anything to use, please let me know, because I really want to be professional and start having an intro and then an end card. I need to learn how to do that. And like I said, I'm sorry that this is so choppy. You gotta remember that I came from Windows Movie Maker and now I'm to the iMovie, so it's completely different than Windows Movie Maker, so it's gonna take me a little time to get used to. But now I'm just blending all the pinks in so it's not as harsh and it's not a very harsh line. But yeah, and then I'm hoping I'll grasp iMovie within a month or two, so then I can graduate to doing Final Cut Pro, because that's even more professional. But yeah, as you can see, that clip kind of got cut off, but I did the left eye of my half cut crease. Not the best. I'm not the best. The technique is not that good. This is only my second time attempting it, but it's pretty good for me just starting out. But I promise you'll get better, and I'm trying to work hard really every day to improve my makeup skills. But yeah, so applying that, but then I'm taking MAC Rose Glitter, and the name of the glitter is called Rose. But I'm also gonna do the lash glue and put that on my cut crease and try to not mess up the shape of the cut crease. But I'm applying the rose glitter on my lids. Sorry that part seemed choppy again. I accidentally deleted the clip and I didn't know how to get it back. So yeah, but then I'm adding MAC Carbon and putting that on my face. I mean, not my face. What am I saying? Not my face. I'm putting it on my outer V. There we go. Yeah, so I'm just putting on my outer V because I felt like the pink was too much and it needed a little bit depthness to the look, so I added that. You know, to blend it out. But yes. Then I am doing my MAC Fix Plus with strobe cream and putting that on my face, and then I also sprayed some on my beauty blender to press it in to make it more like glowy and give me the radiance I want. But yes. So now I'm taking my no, don't judge me, but I think this is how you pronounce it, Celestial Cover XS Enhancing Drops. It's either Celestial or Celestial. I don't know. It's Celestial. So sorry that if I pronounce it wrong, but that is a hard name. And I'm just blending out my beauty blender. Again, sorry that some scene clips were deleted and you only saw it it just magically came on again. Getting used to iMovie, trying to figure out how to work it, and I promise you I will get better. And this is the point where I realized I put on way too much and how I didn't know how I was gonna fix this. But now I'm just taking my Smashbox Shape Matters palette and contouring my face with that because I couldn't find my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, so I use this as a substitution because it does have contour shades in it. And yes, excuse the gross Cover FX drops in my hair. I didn't realize this until now that I'm editing. Didn't even realize. So sorry that the enhancer drops are in my hair and it looks like I have gray hair, but it's cool. But anyways, I'm putting that on my face to contour and shape my face. But yeah, I'm kind of upset that some clips got deleted, but I'll eventually get better, guys. Don't worry, I promise you I'll get better. And like I said, I hope I'll get used to this and then eventually go to Final Cut Pro, so then my editing could be really A1. Hopefully I can learn all the special effects like all the YouTubers do. You know how they add SpongeBob in it or scenes from movies. I want to learn how to do all of that. So if you know how to do that, let me know. Or how I could do this on iMovie or Final Cut Pro. I don't know how to do any of this. Then I'm taking my MAC Mocha Blush and putting that on my cheeks. Yeah, because I didn't want it all bronze. I obviously want some. But for this look, I recommend a very light color, nothing too pink, because you're already wearing a lot of pink on your eye. You don't need more. Then I'm taking a highlighter from the Shape Matters palette. Because it also has highlight shades in it. So that's great because I forgot my Fenty highlighter in my room and I was like, I am not turning off this camera to do that, so we're just gonna go roll with it and do that. And then I'm taking my MAC Soar lip liner and pencil and putting that on my lips, just to, use that as my lipstick because I forgot my lipstick too in my room. But also I think this is a pretty color where you don't even need a lipstick for it because it's just honestly so pretty, and I just love how this lip liner looks alone or even with Mer lipstick because Mer lipstick looks gorgeous with it and it matches perfectly. But yeah, so that was the tutorial. So again, don't judge on my cut crease job or my winged eyeliner eyelash job. I'm still trying to improve and stuff and trying to get better, and I will get better. So yes, I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, don't be too hard in the comments about the eyeliner and eyelash job. I know I'm not my best, but I'm still really proud of this look and how I achieved this look. I'm also very proud of, you know, the half-cut crease job I did, even though it's not the best. I'm no Jaclyn Hill at this stuff. But I'm still practicing and trying to get better and improve every day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And please go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey's Beauty _. And I love you guys so much. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.